So the first thing that's going to help us is drawing a sketch. And what you should have drawn is something resembling a totem pole with a rope attached to the ground. And we were told that the angle formed is 50 degrees. Now, we were also told the totem pole is 12 meters high. So now what we can identify here is a right triangle, and we'll draw that in with, here's our 90-degree angle. And we're told that we've got a 50-degree angle. The side opposite the 50 degree is the 12 meters. We're asked to find the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle, triangle ABC. And so since we're looking for the hypotenuse, now we have two choices here. There's two trig ratios that deal with hypotenuse. It's sine and cosine. But since we're given the opposite side, we know that we need to use sine, because sine of angle A, and remember the 50-degree angle is angle A, sine of angle A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Now what we do next is we're going to sub in our known values. Now angle A is 50 degrees, so sine of A is angle A is sine of 50 degrees. The opposite side is 12 meters. So we're going to sub in 12 for the opposite side. And we're looking for our hypotenuse, so we can call that h. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to solve for our unknown. And the first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by h. And I have both steps up here just to see how this works. So when we multiply both sides by h, well, 12 over h simplifies to be just 12 because the h's cancel out. And if we multiply the right side by h, we have to multiply the left side by h. So the left side stays as h times sine 50. Now what we have to do is get rid of the sine 50 from the left-hand side in order to get h all by itself. So that means we have to divide both sides by sine 50. And when we do that, the sine 50s cancel out, and we're left then with h on the left-hand side, and h is equal to then 12 divided by sine 50. So we can do that on our calculator. 12 divided by 50 sine is approximately equal to 15.7, or we could say 15.66 meters. So h is approximately equal to 15.66 meters. Now, we need two lengths of that rope, so that means that one side is going to be, we're going to require 15.66 meters, so we're going to need double that amount, or at least 31.32 meters of rope to hold up the totem pole. A guy wire supports a tower. The wire forms a 57-degree angle with the level ground. The wire is attached 16.5 meters from the base of the tower. At what height is the guy wire attached to the tower? So we want to know how far up does this wire attach to this tower.